Good morning friends, welcome to my today's analysis of Bank Nifty. Actually this is yesterday's chart. Market opened flat actually. It went up to 21 EMA and came back from 21 EMA after a rebound and it went back up. Went back into the VWAP and 21 EMA zone. Actually I made lot of mistakes here. Because of impatience I had to wait for 21 to cross either the VWAP or 50 EMA. But I didn't do anything. Instead I impatiently bought a call here. It was reversed. I bought a put here, even this was reversed. So I see that until there is a crossover, until I get my setup, money will never come in the market and I will simply lose my money. I lost a lot of money in this point. I put lot of quantities. I bought a lot of quantities and I didn't make any money actually. So I understand. I'm trying to understand the market. Actually, if I trade improperly any day, it will result in wipeout. So you see, this impatience. I had to wait for 21 to either cross the VWAP or cross the 50 MA, but instead I impatiently traded this swing, which resulted in reversal. You can see this is a complete reversal of everything from here to here, again from here to this point to this point, and again from this point to this point. So it is a complete reversal actually. So I should not have traded it, but I impatiently traded it. And here actually at this point, at the crossover point of 50 and 21, there were no candles nearby. So I had to do nothing at this point. But here the V21 EMA and VWAP band were connected by one candle, and there was one small candle after this and then the reversal. You can see the size of the candle, it is so small. The profit candle is very small. So nothing can be done. This is how the market works. So and then 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA. We see what is the problem in this case. Twenty-one crossed 100 EMA. So it was a valid setup. So but this didn't go much far. It came down. Actually for this thing to work, 21 should be very close to the VWAP band. So this type of trade should not be done actually. This is a trap by the market. So where 21 is inside the VWAP and they try to give, and there is a candle connecting the 21 EMA and the VWAP band. So they will take it up one day and next day they will cause a big fall. So it should not be taken actually. Only when 21 EMA completely crosses the VWAP band, only then you should think of such candles, connecting candles. So candle should be like this, candle connecting the candle connecting 21 EMA and not this one, 21 EMA and VWAP band. It should be like this. The candle should be like this. Usually this type of candles, one day they give profit and the next day there is a big loss. So you should not trade this type of candle. So I trade only this type of candle when the market 21 EMA crosses the VWAP band and there is a connecting candle between 21 EMA and the VWAP band. So any other trade here results in a reversal actually. Any other trade I did resulted in a reversal. And there was no confidence also in such trades to hold the trades. So here in this case 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA and 50 EMA crossed the 100 EMA. So there was a one good candle here and there was a flow until 200 EMA. There was flow until 200 EMA in this candle in this trading setup. This was a good trading location. So because of impatience I lost money. I did not wait for the crossover. I should have waited for the crossover. Impatience and improper position sizing, over position sizing and improper risk management, no stop loss, so resulted in big losses. I need to tune myself to all these things. Until I change myself, nothing is going to work for me in the market. So here 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA and the candle entered the 100 EMA. So the candle entered at 100 EMA. I need to wait for 21 EMA to cross that 100 EMA here. So when 21 EMA cross 100 EMA in this candle and it also crossed 200, I can expect another candle here. So there was another candle as expected here. When 21 EMA crossed the 100 EMA and there was a candle which went into 200 EMA, there was another candle here. So there was good movement also after this point when 21 EMA crossed 100 EMA and there was a candle inside the 200 EMA. So the next day, that is yesterday, market opened gap up. So here also I did the same mistakes. So I entered improperly into a call trade. I did a lot of mistakes here. It reversed, market reversed, and I exited. And then I saw that after it crossover of 21 and 50 MA, the market went up too far, but it did not. There was no candle near the crossover point. So here I can see there is a crossover of 21 and 50 with VWAP, and there is a candle at the crossover point, and there is the next candle I can clearly see 21 below 50 MA. So this candle was above the 100 MA, not this candle. This candle, it was above the 100 MA. So in this candle, if I had entered, I would have received good profit. The market entered 100 MA and also it went up to 200 MA. So there was a good flow after this point, but I instead wrongly traded this candle. Because of impatience, the candle connecting 21 and 50 VWAP. So there was market hit the 100 MA, and as a result there was a rebound back to 21 MA. In this rebound I lost 70% of my capital because I loss of 70% of my capital. I lost 70% of my capital. So in this rebound I lost 70% of my capital. So actually he gave two candles here and then he came back up like this. The market came back like this. In this reversal I lost all my money. I exited because of fear of reversal into the VWAP band actually. So but actually as expected market continued the same movement after this. Market continued the same movement after this point, but in the reversal actually there was no confidence in this trade. I entered into a put trade with lot of quantities here. As it was an expiry, I bought too many. Since it was available for less cost, I bought too many quantities. So small mistakes will lead to big errors and wipe out of capital actually. Small mistakes will lead to big errors. So where the market immediately touched the 100 EMA and there was a big rebound from 100 EMA back into 21 EMA. So in this reversal, I lost a majority of my capital. 70%, 80% of my capital was lost. So, and then later I did not trade. So, but I had to wait for this candle actually when 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA and there was a 21 EMA was clearly visible below the 50 EMA. So the impatience is causing problems in the market for me. So I had to wait patiently for my setup to appear in the market. Only then I will succeed in the market. Otherwise, it is a loss every day on the cards. So, so this candle I had to trade this candle and make profit, but instead I traded an improper candle. So improper entry will result in a loss. That is what I understood. So if there is no crossover, then it will result in a loss. So that is for sure. Improper entries. See here, even here, see 2050 EMA crossed the 200 EMA. There was a candle here, but it already touched the VWAP and so because of that it came back like this. So it came back and even it did not go to 50, it tested 21 and it came down like this. So all these reversals, there is no confidence in holding these trades. So you see this point, this candle, when 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA there was this candle. When 21 was clearly visible below the 50 EMA I should have traded this candle. Instead I wrongly traded, improperly traded this candle which was connecting 21 and 50 EMA and VWAP. So there was a since there was support from VWAP and 100 EMA market reversed. So this many points wiped out my capital actually. Complete wipe out of my capital. So I lost big capital in 2 days. So in all the accounts I lost money because of improper trading. So impatience of just 1 or 2 days result in wipe out of capital. So all the money made in several days lost in 1 day, 1 or 2 days. All the money made over so many days lost in 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 improper trades. So this is how I improperly entered into the trades. So yesterday also improperly entered into the trades here. So 21 was above the VWAP. So because of impatience I entered into a call trade here and then it was reversed and a put trade here and even this was reversed. So I lost all my capital just in this swing. See one upswing and down move and then up move. So here only I lost everything. So this type of movement, there is a big loss actually. This type of movement there is a big loss, which doesn't go straight because there is no crossover of 21 with VWAP. It will not go straight. It will reverse back. So it reversed actually. So I should be aware of this type of setup. So it hit the market hit the from VWAP market hit the 21 EMA and it came back to VWAP band and from VWAP band it got support and it reversed again. So this reversal wiped out all my capital actually. So up or down, up, back to the same point. So here if I take an entry here, so up, call, and then immediate drop, put, so it lost money here, and then I entered into put trade here, and I lost again, it was a call. So like this, market reversed its direction several times. So this is a misleading candle actually. One day profit, the next day loss. Actually 21 EMA should cross the VWAP band, and there should be a candle connecting the 21 EMA and the VWAP band. Only this type of candle is considered valid for trading. This is an improper location and a trap location actually. The trap market trapped me in this location. So I did not consider this location. I need to just maintain patience, stop loss, position sizing, everything. So this is otherwise it is an impossible task to trade. So here 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA properly. It has crossed. So there was a good candle also here, and then market flowed down to 200 EMA. So but impatiently I traded it. I traded some other candle, and it resulted in a loss. See, all the other candles must be avoided. Whatever is not according to my setup, I need to avoid it. So that is where I'm doing the mistake. See here also 21 EMA crossed the 50 EMA, and there was a candle into the 100 EMA. Here also the candle. Uh, so for this the target is 100 EMA itself. So I need to wait for 21 to cross the 100 EMA. Only then it will enter 200 EMA. It will go inside 200 EMA. So 21 EMA cross 100 EMA in this point, and then it entered the 200 EMA. So I need to be, so I can consider this candle also, which is into 200, and then it went into a VWAP. So I need to patiently wait for my setup. Waiting is the problem actually. I'm not waiting, and I'm entering into trades impatiently. I see 21 somewhere here or here, and I enter into trades impatiently. I took this trade actually. Again, same mistake which I did now day before yesterday. Same mistake here into a call trade, and here a put trade. Everything reversed. So this type of structures, one, two, three, down, up, down. These type of structures cause confusion and reversal. So this type of reversals cause lot of full wipeouts. So up, down, up. So this type of structures cause complete reversal. This is called a complete reversal, and this type of structures cause a complete wipeout. So I should be aware of this setup, and also I should not have traded it because 21, see I thought, see 21 I thought 21 crossed the VWAP band here, but I should have waited for 21 to cross the VWAP. This band is not considered valid here, only this band is valid. The lower band is valid, the upper band is not valid in this case. So I'm doing a lot of mistake, and because of which I lost all the capital. So if I don't stick to rules, again I will lose the capital. So I need to train my mind to believe my own setup. See, there were good candles here after this, but I improperly, again same thing. Here also I did the same mistake. Uh, I should have waited for, see 21 was here, 50 is here. I should have waited for 21 to cross 50 MA, but instead I wrongly entered here, which resulted in big huge reversal, and then so this cannot be held actually by buyers. I cannot, as a buyer, I cannot hold it because of a big reversal, results in big loss actually. So complete wipeout, and then back again like this. So this one, this structure down, up, down, same direction again. So this will result in big loss. Up, down, up. This one also will result in big loss. So I will be careful in future about this type of things. And here also 50 EMA crossed the 200 EMA. There was a candle, but this candle was in the VWAP band. There was support from VWAP band and it reversed. This many candles, three candles, reversal of three candles, and then it back came down. So even this type of structure is not good for trading actually, because the stop loss is very big. If a big stop loss will not give any profit, it will definitely, market will definitely hit the stop loss. Any amount of money you keep here, you cannot afford so many big stop losses. So there also there was a loss in this point. This point also, because it touched the VWAP band, so it should remain above the VWAP band. That is the condition. Candle should remain above the VWAP band, or 21 itself should cross the VWAP band. So silly mistakes made by me resulted in wipeout. Just these are some silly mistakes which are causing problems to me. I identified. I'm impatient at this point. I waited for 21 to cross the VWAP and 21. You see, there were trades here actually. See, this type of setup doesn't give any. See, 21 and 50, 21, 50, there was a crossover, and then there was a candle here. So you can see 21 clearly above 50. Even this is also tradable, but it was too close to the VWAP band, so they can expect one candle from here, because when 21, see, this is normally result in a reversal usually. If it is this close, too close to VWAP band, it will normally result in reversal. So I did not avoid. I should have avoided this trade. Uh, so and again, impatience is the reason for failures in the market. When I have a setup, I should have waited and followed the rules. Instead, I jumped in with quickly and thinking I will make some money, but it result I lost money. So this was a loss. This much big reversal I cannot be handled in the market with buying. So this is resulted in big loss. So I have to rectify my mistake. Until I rectify myself, wait for the setup with patience. It will keep result. This will result on all days, on whatever, on all the, on even if I trade 1,000 times with this improper setup, I will result a loss. It will result in loss only. So even if I trade 1,000 times, so number of trades does not matter. So it is one proper trade one proper trade according to my setup only helps. Otherwise, things will not work for me. I need to wait for my setup with patience. Impatience results in losses. That is what I understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.